Melissa and Doug Deluxe Art Easel. Now this thing is a fantastic item. I just want to show you a little bit about it, take it apart and just take a look at the pieces and try to give you an idea of how to assemble it. So it comes in all the packages like you see here. Thumb screws, very easy to use. Wing nuts, so super simple to install, easy to operate. You got large screws and you have small screws. Okay, instruction manual is pretty easy and very easy to understand. Very easy to install. Just follow along a little bit and you can understand. This is the board itself. You have the chalkboard and you have the dry erase board, and it says top. That means it goes to the top. So that's simple enough to understand, right? So basically just put it all together, kind of follow the instructions. It's A, B, C, D. It just kind of connects real simple. As you can see here, the screws just go right just like you see here. Then you take the little wing nuts and you just put them on with your finger. It does include an Allen wrench. If you do need that, it's easy to use as well. I found that you can use it, don't have to use it, depends. But one goes to 1B and 1C to 1B, goes like that, very easy. This is the crossbar here, you can see here. This connects to the top, and that makes the A-frame. That pretty much gives it the stabilization. It is also collapsible, so you can put it away. And as you can see here, once I put it all together, again with all the wing nuts, really easy to install. And this middle bar here is for the paper. In the Deluxe paper, you can get the actual additional accessory, easy to install. And to install the chalkboard and the dry erase board, you can see here, just put the screw in the back and just a little thumb screw right here, a little wing nut, whatever you want to call it. Just assemble it with the Melissa and Doug attachments. You can see here, it's really simple to install. Once you lay everything out, it's really easy. And also the tray itself, also where the paints go, crayons, whatever you want to put in these little trays, it really works well. And again, thumb screws. Really easy to install, just like you see here. Different colors. It doesn't really matter what color you use, honestly. It doesn't really matter. They all do the exact same thing. It's just, I guess that's the fun way of putting it together. You can use any color you want anywhere. It makes it fun and whimsical. So you can see here how it's worked. There's the dry erase side here. Real easy, and you can see the whole look of it. And it comes with little clips for the paper, and just like that. And that's how it was installed. There's the red tray. There is the chalk side, just like you see here. And really easy. Fantastic. I absolutely love the quality of the Melissa and Doug products. Really goes a long way. I definitely highly recommend this for any little one who loves art. Definitely the way to go. Definitely love this item.